In a dazzling display of family unity, Nicola Peltz Beckham and her mother-in-law, Victoria Beckham, stole the spotlight at the star-studded Lola premiere in Los Angeles. The Bates Motel actress, fresh from resolving a feud with the renowned fashion designer, showcased her directorial debut with the upcoming drama, Lola, slated for release on February 9th. Putting any past disagreements aside, Nicola and Victoria embraced each other at the premiere, clad in outfits from the Victoria Beckham collection. The duo, radiating elegance, posed for snapshots, symbolizing a newfound harmony following their recent reconciliation. Nicola Peltz Beckham made a statement on the red carpet with a white corset top paired with low-waisted white trousers, showcasing her directorial prowess. The budding star's minimal accessories and classical makeup allowed her chic ensemble to take center stage, capturing the attention of onlookers. Victoria Beckham, the fashion icon herself, dazzled in dark navy slacks paired with a matching double-breasted blazer, creating a sophisticated look. The designer added a touch of flair with closed-toed black heels and dainty gold anklets, proving once again why she's a style maven. Accompanied by her husband, Brooklyn Beckham, Nicola's love for him was evident as they shared sweet gazes during the photo session. Brooklyn revealed the close bond within their family, emphasizing shared moments, drinks, and laughter during Sunday afternoons. Sources revealed that Victoria and Nicola buried the hatchet over vodka snapper cocktails and friendly games, forming a bond that goes beyond their initial differences. Brooklyn spoke of their shared love for Sunday roasts and revealed that the family enjoys playing Nicola's favorite game, Fish Bowl. Nicola Peltz Beckham's directorial debut, Lola, promises a compelling narrative about family dynamics and resilience. Despite facing backlash for her elite background, Nicola's journey into filmmaking is marked by determination and collaboration, as seen in her partnership with Quincy Jones for the film's soundtrack. As Lola hits the theaters on February 9th, fans are eager to witness Nicola Peltz Beckham's directorial prowess and the captivating story it unfolds. The Lola premiere not only showcased a star-studded event but also the strength of family bonds, proving that in the world of glitz and glamour, unity prevails.